And here we are at, this is 100 Garibaldi in Quail Hollow. This is Heritage Homes, is the construction company, the builder. They've won a lot of Hobie Awards. They do some fantastic finishing work, and we're gonna go inside and take a look. It's mid-March, right now 2018. This home will be done probably beginning of June. All the exterior trim has been done. All the hardy plank siding is up. As you can see, they use PVC on the exterior trim work. Beautiful stonework here. It's got a really good size yard over here. So let's go inside and take a look. Okay, so this is not quite far along as 94 is. 94, they're putting in the trim in, and all the taping and mud sheetrock work has been done. They also got all the sheetrock in, looks like all the insulation is done. This is you walk in, there's a living room to your left here. To the right is the dining room, okay? And as you walk back here, there's an office off the back of the house. It looks out onto the backyard. And then you've got this large hall closet, and there's going to be a powder room right here. And this takes you out onto the back patio. This is a nice front to back openness to this house. It's really nice. As you come in here, this is family room. And it also has a patio off of this side. Bluestone patio, and then you come in here and this is going to be the kitchen. As you can see, the plumbing is all set up for having the sink underneath this window, and the oven and range will be actually over here underneath the hood area. They've got all the wiring, rough wiring is done. They've got the hi-hats are in here. This is going to be a little pantry area back here, actually nice size, big pantry. And there's probably going to be some type of wet bar over here that adjoins the dining area. And then as you come back to the garage area, you've got an entrance here. This is a mud room. You've got a closet here, and then you've got this mudroom bath here. Okay, so you can see the ceilings are very high here. You've got great light. There's no electricity on, and the light is very good. And this is the back stairs. This comes up to a suite. So you've got this room over the garage. This is like a playroom. If you want to have it as an office also. And it winds around over here. There is an option to put a bathroom in. We're not so far along in the construction process that couldn't be put in to the house. If somebody wanted to make that an in-law suite. And let's go and see the other part of the house. And so we're going up the main stairs here. As you come upstairs, you got nice big open hallways here. That actually in the front of the house right there, that's the laundry room. When you come back here, this is the master. It's got a pretty tray ceiling. This is going to look great once they do all the moldings. It's going to be beautiful. And you've got this nice large master bath. Vanity here. Shower. The tub's going to go there. Another vanity. And the water closet. And then it's got walk-in closet right here, good size. As you can see, it's a nice, really nice, bright room. Bedroom number 2. If you come back here, these are all en suite. Bedroom number 2, big closet. Nice ensuite bath with a tub, shower combination. Bedroom number 3, you've got your tub shower combo, ensuite bath, closet, and then you've got lots of light, 3 big windows here, and then bedroom number 4 is over here. You've got a big walk-in closet here, and then you've got your ensuite bath is here, tub shower combo. And then as we go up to the 3rd floor, that's where bedroom number 5 is. So we're going up and up. So bedroom number 5 up here. It's got a huge space here. It's a big, big bedroom. Or it could be a playroom. Obviously, you don't have to have it as a bedroom. This is storage, as you can see. This is all 6-inch foam, blown in, open cell insulation. And then, unfortunately, it's dark because there's no window in this bathroom, but there's a bathroom right here with a shower. So, really, it's coming along quite nicely. This should be done beginning of June. 100 Garibaldi.